Hello guys, in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how you can install BurpSuite for web application penetration testing training. Go to portsfigure.net website and download Community Edition. Click on download and select your platform. Download for Windows or plain jar file. As I already downloaded on my desktop, you can see here. Double click on it and click on Run. Click Yes. Next, select the destination directory and click Next. And finally, click on Finish. You can see here BurpSuite is installed in our machine. Click on it. I accept. Temporary project and start Burp. You can see this interface is started.